This episode is going to be an unboxing a Maxpeedingrods turbo kit manifold for a BMW 6-cylinder engine. So firstly, we need to unbox with my key the manifold, which is listed as M50 M52, and if you want some nice discounts, I'm going to leave you the link in the description. You can use it to get some discount from Maxpeedingrods, guys. And as you see, it's not been opened up. That's the first time I'm going to see it. And ooh, quite big unit. There you go. So this is a cast iron unit with a T3 turbo flange on it. I wasn't sure what is it gonna look like, but to be honest with you, feels really heavy, feels really good, feels like a really good item, and it's come with 3 gaskets as well. Right, that's gonna be sit really nicely on the TATA. Next thing is the turbo kit. I'm pretty sure you're doing exactly the same thing. You never have a Stanley with you. Oh, very nice. This is my first turbo kit I ever bought, to be honest with you. I had some mixed reviews by them, but what I read on the net, but you never know. So, we got loads of packages. Nice. Gaskets, connection pipes, a blow-off valve. Looks really nice. Yeah. Looks good, isn't it? All the connection, pipe, everything is separated by the box for the item. That's cool. We have more shiny parts. I need to work it out when I put this one on, where everything goes. Yeah, looks good. Pipe set. Okay, so there's the oil pipe, and this is for the sump. We need to weld this into the sump, and the sump is currently off. Let me just show you. This is a picky peek for the later episodes. So this one need to go in there for the oil. Well, this way, sorry, but the man know how to fix this. Graham, and braided pipes. I quite like these connections. You see? Gaskets with the bolts. Everything is separated, so you not mix anything up. A junction box, another connection, straight connections. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna go down there. Close this one up, so we know where we are. What's in this one? It's a gasket, wastegate. Ooh, shiny. Oh, this feels really heavy. Cool. all the flange kit in there. This one, this one, pipe connection, sorry, nuts and bolts. Yeah, I mean, this feels really nice. Feels really heavy. What do you think, guys? Drop it down in a comment. Obviously this one have to go back for a minute. It's going to be a separate video when we attempt to install this one to the BMW engine. Put everything back so I'm not losing it. Put everything back, put everything back. And it goes down there. There we got the turbo. Quite heavy. Oh, quite a big turbo. I was expecting a bit smaller than that. That's hand size, turbo size. Maybe it's a little bit big. I don't know. It's a big thing. Bloody big unit. There is the gasket kit. Maxpeedingrods stickers. It's a big turbo. I like it. I think it's going to look really nice on a pickup. Right. I'm not going to take that out from the casing yet because I don't want to break it. So this is the intercooler. This is what comes with the kit. I think I fitted similar size to the Alpha Me too. Same size intercooler. So all this kit, the manifold, I need to get a turbo flange to a 3-inch pipe. We're just doing some test fitting at the minute. This is an M54 engine, so it doesn't list this goes onto an M54, but M52, M54, M50 is the same, should be the same, everything the same, and we're modifying this part anyway. So all this need to bolt on. So it's a good kit, and that was just a shy of 400 quid for all this. The turbo kit, the intercooler, the manifold, everything. And on low boost it runs on the standard ECU, I think up to about 260 horse. This is a M54 B25 engine, yeah, so it's a 2.5 litre engine. And if you're not seeing it, what happened, this engine came out from a drift car, the damaged drift car, which was doing few laps, I don't know how many laps, but the front, I think right front wheel is damaged on it, but I'm gonna leave you the link in the right hand corner so you can have a look when I dismantle that car for this engine and the gearbox. And if you don't remember this part, what we're doing, this is the TATA Loadbeta. So this is the vehicle so far, and the engine is mounted to the front now. And this is the episode gonna coming up when we show you how we done this engine fitting. It's not been released yet, so this video is going to be first, and you're going to see the procedure, what we've done. And the next episode, we're going to fit the turbo kit to the Tata. So if you enjoyed this episode and you like to see more episodes like this, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can see more cars what we're messing with. Thank you so much for watching. Ta-da!